This is camp for sure. Oh, this is a great spot. This is a fucking piece of goddamn dog shit. Fuck these guys. It won't lock in. It ain't me. It won't lock in. Here we go. This is the Great Western Trail. And poke our head in here and we'll see what we can find. Hopefully find a decently dry spot. It rained all day yesterday, so could potentially be muddy up here. What do we got here? This actually might be a badass camp spot. Maybe. What do you guys think? Well, this looks like it could potentially be unless it's a road. Nope. This is camp. This is camp for sure. Oh, this is a great spot. Set the 4Runner down here. Kind of blocks the road. And I believe we got camp. This is going to be the first time we set this tent up. It's OzTent, OzTent something or other. I don't remember what it's called. We're gonna set this bad boy up. All right, let's see what this thing's all about. Hopefully it's good. God. It's a pretty nice bag. And it's got compression straps, so that's nice. 4 corners. Shoulder strap. More compression straps. We got the rain fly. It's got an Allen wrench for some reason. About 35 pounds worth of stakes. Huh. I wonder if we got extra stakes. These are pretty generic and shitty stakes, so they'll definitely get replaced. Not a big fan of those type of stakes. Let's see here. Where the front door is. Start spreading her open till we find a front door, I guess. Oh, all right. It's got hooks. Guess we take this off. There's that. There's this. And there is another hook. got here? One's there. Let's see here. We got another little shot here. It's got little loops. Now, I'm guessing the front's here. Yeah, this looks like the front. Give her a little. Give her a little. Like that. Fucking floppy bastard. Oh, she's fucked. She's a bit fucked there, guys. Garbage. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Pop that up. Pop this up. Bit fucked, guys. Hey, Blair. God damn it. I don't know why this one won't lock in. Just gotta. Won't lock in. This tent's fucking lame. Fuck this. What a piece of shit. No wonder they discontinued this fucker. I don't understand why this side won't lock in. It won't lock in. This is locked in. That's locked in. Guys, I'm gonna have to say this thing's a bit fucked. Boy, did I get fucking ripped off on this deal. Man, I made a huge fucking mistake. Fucking junk. Yeah. Guys, this is fucking a piece of shit. An absolute piece of goddamn dog shit. Wow, I thought this motherfucker would set up quick, but it's junk. It's fucking junk. What a fucking piece of shit. It's not locking in on this back side like it should. That's the problem, you fast motherfuckers. You couldn't get cheaper steaks if you tried. So this thing is supposed to lock in. Fuck this motherfucker, huh? Fuck you. It's not locking in. It should. That side's sturdy. I'll tell you what, even if this thing was working, I have fucking very low confidence that it's worth a shit. Fuck. I just wiped my ass with $500 is what I did. Like a fucking dick. Fucking shitbag outfit. Fuck OzTent. No wonder they discontinued this cocksucker. They shouldn't even be selling this fucking piece of shit. Yeah, the other one's locked in. Yeah, it's in. It's locked in. This one won't lock in. Has a detent. It's not lining up. Doesn't drop into the hole. I tell you what, man, this thing is a piece of shit. In my expert opinion. I mean, fuck me. This locks in. I don't know, man. These motherfuckers from this fucking company. Fuck you, OzTent. Fuck you. You guys fucking suck. This thing's a fucking piece of goddamn dog shit. Are you fucking kidding me? What a fucking joke. Easy, fast setup. Fuck you. My fucking left nut, easy, fast fucking setup. It's a fucking rain. Rain. Fucking Christ. Only the fucking best campground with grass and picnic tables and horse shit's gonna do. Alright. Then you push up the center, fucking shot, supposedly. And then we'll try locking this, the one that's a real cocksucker. We'll try locking this one in first. It's not locking in. Still. This is a fucking piece of goddamn dog shit. Fuck these guys. This fucking piece of goddamn shit. It won't lock in. It ain't me. It won't lock in. It definitely ain't happening. It almost wants to lock in. But if you gotta force something, it ain't right. That ain't it. Wow. Wow.
Morning, everybody. Well, let's get this heap of shit out of the way and make some coffee, shall we?
I think so.
Oh.
Boy, did I just get ripped off on that 10 or what? I mean, come on. It's a real shame that they could put something out that's that terrible. Like, even if they are to replace it or trying to fix it, it's a shit design. I wouldn't want it. It's not a long-lasting design at all.
Well, luckily I had my backpacking tent in the back of the 4Runner, so I went ahead and set that up and slept in it for the night. And the next day I went home and got my bigger Katoma tent and brought that on the trip. I was able to get a partial refund from Spreetail, and for some reason they said they were going to give me a full refund, and they held back like $50. So I did a chargeback through my credit card company, because you know what? That's bullshit. So I'm a little bitter about OzTent. I probably won't give them a second chance, even with the current models they have. But guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. This was 3 weeks of adventure. There's plenty more videos coming at you. Bye for now.